Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how I create some designs for a bunch of tie-dye shirts I've created for my small business. The target market for this business is dog owners, so you'll see all of the designs are kind of based around dogs. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. This is the first of many, so let's see how it goes. So this is me just grabbing some of the shirts that I've already tie-dyed. I started by ironing out these shirts because it just gives you a better idea of what sort of prints will work well on the shirt. I had a range of different colors. As you can see, this is one of the lighter ones. Most of them are fairly bright. I have a bright pink, and then some plain blue, some blue and pink mixes. Yeah, so it really just depends on what you enjoy, but the brighter colors are super lovely and work well with different sort of prints that you put on. After I had finished ironing out the shirts, I decided to go with the Tell Your Dog I Said Hi design for a white hoodie and one of my tie-dye shirts. I decided to also use a puff, it's sort of like a puff vinyl, red. It has a sort of fleecy finish, and that was the vinyl I decided to go for both designs. First I had to get my Cricut set up. Once I had that done, this is the vinyl. I cut it out and then stuck it to my Cricut mat. I then started cutting out my designs with my Cricut. This is quite a thick vinyl, so I just needed to double check that it didn't cut completely through. Sometimes you need to go and cut through twice, but it seemed to have done a good job, so I was happy with that. I then just basically peeled out my designs before laying them onto my shirts. I use a heat press to heat press obviously these designs onto the shirts. After peeling them out, I had kind of decided that I'd originally gone with this bluey pinky shirt, but I didn't quite like how the red stood out on the shirt, so I opted for a more pink shirt because red kind of does quite well on these shirts. So I went for this pink shirt and I really loved how the final design came out. I did a colourful bit before removing the plastic from the vinyl. The design looks amazing. I'm super happy with it. I then moved on to the white hoodie, and obviously the red is going to stand out really nicely on this, so I was quite excited. After peeling out the design, I then heat pressed this onto the hoodie. It took me a while to just peel out those little pieces. Once I had the heat press at the right temperature, I just laid on the hoodie for 30 seconds to get the vinyl set onto the hoodie. The final look was actually super amazing. The red stood out really well, so I was super glad with that. Yeah, so enjoy some pictures to see what the final designs came out like.